Okay, we're going to learn about rates. Now, rates differ from ratios in that rates compare unlike quantities. So they're measured in different units. So if we were talking about the rate of speed, we talk about kilometers per hour, per 1 hour. Or typing speed might be words per minute. So they're totally different quantities measured in different units. If you're earning money, you might be concerned about your dollars per hour, and that line means per, so sort of a divided by. Sometimes you see kilometers per hour as kilometers per hour, or you might see it as kilometers ph per hour, or kph. Okay, let's try the first one. Cyclists ride 60 kilometers in 3 hours. Express this as a rate. And so with our rate, we want to find out how far they go in 1 hour. So if they go 60 kilometers in 3 hours, then we have to divide 60 by 3 to get how far they go in 1 hour. So we know they're going to go 20 kilometers in 1 hour, and so the rate is 20 kilometers per hour. So when you're expressing something as a rate, you want to divide it out so that the second unit is a single digit. So that the second unit is 1, or a single digit. It's U. Okay, so let's try the next one. A car travels at 60 kilometers per hour. How far can it go in 4 hours? Now in this example, you're given the rate, and from the rate you can work out distances or times. So in this case, you want to go, say, how far does it go in 4 hours? So we know from this that in 1 hour it goes 80 kilometers. And the two things we know are the hours, so we put that on the left hand side and our unknown on the right hand side. So in 4 hours it goes, it must be 4 times as much, so 80 times 4, which is 320 kilometers. So you may have to express something as a rate, or you might be given the rate and you have to find out some other information from that. So let's look at some questions. You are paid $15.50 per hour. So that's my rate of pay for your part-time job. How much do you earn if you work 8 hours? So I know that in 1 hour I get paid $15.50. So I want to find out how much I'm going to earn in 8 hours. Now 8 is 8 times as much as 1, so you have to multiply $15.50 times 8, and you'll get $124. Okay, the next rates question. You type 300 words in 3 minutes. What is your typing rate? So now we have to express this as a rate, so we want to know what they can do in 1 minute. So we know the minutes, we put that on the left hand side. 3 minutes, type 300 words. I want to know how many words I can do in 1 minute. So I have to divide the 300 by 3 to get 100 words. So the rate is 100 words per minute, per 1 minute. Okay. Jane can open mussels at a rate of 6 per minute. How long does it take to open 102 mussels? How long? So that's going to go on the right hand side. So I know that I can open 6 mussels in 1 minute. I've been given that information from the rate here. how long does it take for you to open 102 muscles? So I need to find out 102 muscles, how many minutes. Now, what you can do, if there's 6 muscles in 1 minute, find out how long it takes to do one muscle. So one muscle in 1/6 of a minute. So when you do 6 muscles in 1 minute, you must do one muscle in 1/6 of a minute. It's the 1 divided by the 6th. So now I know how long to do one muscle. I can multiply it by, do it over here, by 102 to get how long it takes to do 102 muscles. And that is 17 minutes. Okay, how many muscles can Jane open in 15 minutes? Go back to your rate up here, and how many? So I'm going to put that on the right hand side and my minutes on the left hand side. So in 1 minute you can open 6 muscles. In 15 minutes I must be able to open 15 times that. 6 times 15, which is 90 muscles. And the last question, down a wee bit. If I run steadily at 10 kilometers per hour, how long does it take to run 4 kilometers? Now I know it's going to be less than an hour, so I'm going to change that to 60 minutes. 10 kilometers in 60 minutes. That's 10 kilometers per hour. Now I want to know how long it takes to run 4 kilometers. So I'm going to find out how long does it take to do 1 kilometer. So it must be 60 divided by 10. 1 kilometer takes 6 minutes. And now I can directly multiply the 1 by the 4. 4 kilometers in 1 takes 6 minutes, so 4 kilometers must take 6 times 4 minutes, which is 24 minutes. So you just have to think with rate questions what you're given and what you have to find out and what you need to divide or multiply by. Okay, page 18 in your booklet for some more practice. Great.